How did the apostles die spreading the gospel? They followed Jesus with faith and sealed that faith with blood. The 12 disciples didn't just preach the gospel, they died spreading it. From Jerusalem to faraway lands, the apostles carried the message of salvation with courage that defied fear. They healed the sick, faced prisons, and stood before kings. Every one of them paid the highest price for the truth they preached. Some were crucified, some were stoned, others were beheaded or exiled, but none of them turned back. Because they had seen the risen Christ, their deaths weren't tragedies. They were testimonies, proof that the gospel is worth dying for. In the next videos, I'll take you through the powerful stories of each disciple, one by one, how they lived, and how they died for the good news of Jesus Christ. Follow the Beatz breaker and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of these faith-filled stories of courage and devotion.